Hi, this is Anne Ogden Gaffney from Cook for Your Life. You can find more videos on our YouTube channel, so please subscribe, or you can get a lot more recipes like the one I'm going to make on our website, cookforyourlife.org. And if you sign up for our free newsletter, you'll get information and recipes once a week. So, today we're going to be making one of my favorite summer foods. It's actually, I lived in France for a long time, and it was one of the things which I used to love from there. It's Ratatouille, and name made famous by an animated movie, I might add, about an unconventional chef. Anyway, that aside, Ratatouille is like a real classic French dish, and it's a vegetable stew. Now what I like to do with it is actually, instead of frying the vegetables in a lot of oil, I like to roast them. And this is what we're going to do today. So Ratatouille is traditionally eggplant, peppers, zucchini that we have here, and tomatoes. So let's get going, and I'll show you how easy this is. Now I've already chopped all of this stuff up, so it's not going to take a minute. So preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Put 1 tablespoon of olive oil into a large bowl and tip the eggplant, zucchini, red peppers and garlic into the bowl and mix with your hands to coat them with oil. Spread out in a single layer onto a couple of baking sheets and then sprinkle with a bit of sea salt. Tip the tomatoes into a bowl to coat with any remaining oil and add to the other vegetables skin side down. Roast the vegetables for 20 minutes on a high shelf and turn with a spatula to mix and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the vegetables are soft, golden and caramelized around the edges. If the peppers cook faster than the rest, remove them from the tray and set aside. Heat the remaining oil in a large pan over a medium-low heat, and when it starts to shimmer, add the shallots and saute slowly until they turn golden and caramelized, about 8 to 10 minutes. Add the chopped parsley, cook for a minute, and then, if they are ready, add the roasted vegetables to the pan. Toss to mix and cook for a minute, check the seasoning. Add the basil and toss and mix again. Remove from the heat and set aside. Remove the herbs and the scallion from the quinoa, fluff with a fork and tip onto a platter. Make a well in the center and tip the roasted ratatouille into it. Garnish with some basil leaves and serve.